Brain health refers to the overall condition of the brain, including its cognitive and mental capabilities, ability to handle stress, and overall resilience. Maintaining good brain health is crucial for maintaining good mental health and cognitive function throughout life. I want to look at some foods that we can eat to help maintain brain health. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids that help in improving brain function. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants that protect the brain cells from damage and improve cognitive function. Nuts and seeds. Nuts such as almonds, cashews, and walnuts, and seeds such as pumpkin and chia seeds are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids that promote brain health. Eggs. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that helps in improving memory and cognitive function. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in vitamins and minerals that support brain health. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is high in flavonoids that improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins that promote brain health. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine that helps in improving focus, concentration, and cognitive function. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin that has anti-inflammatory properties and helps in promoting brain health. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support brain function.